welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 28 with the FX Maverick Compact. I'm back at one of my favorite dairy farms again, and once again I'm going to be using the FX Maverick in 122, the compact version, to go out and let's get some more pigeons and starlings and sparrows or whatever else we might find here at the farm. And once again, it's topped with the Pard NV008. Works great during the day, works great at night. So let's go ahead and get in the barn and see what we get. So here we go. I thought I was going to take that one first, but nope. I spotted these two up on the top of that steel beam. One flew away and the other one I'm waiting for. Finally, he kind of comes my way. So I go ahead and take the shot, take him out. And I go back to the one that we originally started out with. Sitting there so pretty, so I take him out. There's another one up on the girder. A lot of these are going to be pigeons on girders. That seemed to be the theme on this trip, which I have no problems with at all. So here's this guy. He's looking right at me. I know he sees me, and he didn't quite make it. And this guy's kind of funny. He sees me, so then he's like, maybe I can get away from him. I've walked this way. I think I'll be okay. Nope. Not with the FX Maverick in the house. This guy's looking at me right through that chain. That was pretty cool. Here I got two. I take the first one out, and the second guy, he can't see what just happened to the other guy. So he just sits there, so I'm able to take him. There's another guy up on the girders looking at me. I see him, and now he's not so much. I spot these two guys up on the top of the roof. That one's sitting so nice, so take him out. That was a nice 50-yard shot. And this guy gets center punch. This is an amazing shot. Look at that. He just went down like bam. Another one up on the roof. Found him later on in the barn. Let's see. Go for the pigeon? No. This is the FX Maverick Compact. We're going to go for the starling. And I take him out. Back inside the barn. This guy's really close. I don't think he's like 20 yards away. Take him out. Sorry about the focus. He landed all of a sudden, and so I took the shot right away. I didn't even see the guy on the right, but took the guy that was sitting up on the top. So this is an unusual shot. Gonna see this guy. This is probably about a 40-yard shot. I hit him, right? Well, did I? Maybe? There he is. He finally does the crash and burn. So, looked like it hit a little low, but still got him. This guy's up on top of the roof. Got to get him. And I get this guy on top of the fan. He just drops and says hi to the cows. This one you can't quite see. It's a starling. This guy, I just drop him. That was a great shot. Just drop him. These three amigos on the barn door. That was pretty funny. They're all sticking their heads out. And he does the little hop. And not so much. I get this guy. Just drop him, and then he finally kicks off. This guy's 60 yards away, and I'm shooting from inside the other barn. I was amazed. I was like, that was a great shot. I was just stoked after that shot. Then the sparrow's 60 yards. I get him too. Happy about that. And here we got another drop and glide. He glides right towards me. Gets a little ways past. And he lands and he kind of finds himself his own little hole, nest, and that's it. He expires right there. Get the sparrow. Top of the barn door. He'll drop. Did a little jump there. These next three shots are just amazing. Take this guy first. Next shot, drop him immediately. Then I take this guy out. And I'm like, I wonder, is this FX really on that? I mean, is it really on? And, oh my gosh, it was really on. That was an amazing shot. There they are. Three amigos. And take this starling. And I get this starling on top of the roof. And if you look closely, after I get him, his mouth is wide open. Here's a nice 60-yard pigeon shot. Great shot. And the last one for this one is this nice, easy girder shot. And I take him. He's only about 30 yards away. So, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.